There's 5 out.
Oh.
One are you gonna open first?
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I can't open it, then I need some help. This I am so excited to get the first one open. We got this one! We got this one!
Are you sure you haven't even opened it?
I need a little help out here again.
Fine.
Yes, open the shell first, then look, some wood. That means not actual wood. There's an axe here. So you need to be like this. There's the hole. There's the magic rod. You need to open it, guys. Okay, let's open this. Awesome, guys. These are like real woody.
It's like real. Hey, what's that blue thing?
The magic rock.
Magic rock?
Yeah. Sometimes people say that. Sometimes this is harder. I'm gonna use the shovel for this one. How I pour this?
I don't know. Just over here, I guess. Here.
More dirtier?
Yeah, sure. We'll clean up later.
Okay, guys, so I open all of these. I'm gonna have a big magic rock.
Was it sticky?
Yeah, it's already sticky. That white part. Come on. It's so sticky. You just poured out all of them. Okay.
Maybe you should use the shovel, Al.
Wait. I got it, look.
How can we can't see? You're blocking the view.
Wait.
Oh, it's so sticky.
It's sticky. Maybe I wait. You buy it too long.
What's that?
The mummy wrap. The skeleton is in there. Let's open up.
Hey, I think there's something else inside the tomb.
This one? It's a treasure box.
Oh, that's a treasure box?
Yeah.
Okay, so which one are we gonna open first?
The character.
Character one?
Yeah. I want to see what skeleton I got.
Okay, you need help with that?
Yeah. I want to get the lion. I want to get the lion skeleton. It's my favorite. He has a mask.
The what?
A mask.
He has a mask?
Yeah.
Which one is that?
That.
So it comes in a pocket like this.
Oh, it's like a pocket. Yeah. Whoa! I got this one.
Is that a lion one?
Yeah. You look like the Lion King's.
Show it to us, Al.
Ta-da!
Whoa.
Then what's his weapon look like? Let's see his weapon. Let's see his weapon. I'm pointing of this. This is so cool, guys.
That was the one you were talking about. The lion one, right?
Yeah, I like this one. He has a big giant lion head.
And you got it on your first try. That's awesome.
What are you doing in here? Let's see, guys. Oh, I get this part. Hiya. What's up here? Okay. Here. And the alphabet should come. Take this. Yeah, this, that, this, that, this, that, this, that, this, and that, this, that, this, that, this, that. Maybe we'll get the golden treasure. Who has got the golden treasure?
Hopefully.
So sticky. I don't know what. We're gonna open the treasure first. I want to see if it's gold or silver. Oh man, we don't get it.
Oh man, that's too bad.
Is glow in the dark or not?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Open the weapon. Oh, there it says open the weapon.
You want to open the weapon first?
Yeah, go with him. Yeah, I want to open this guy first. Wait, that. This
What?
submarine guy.
Submarine guy?
And let's open this weapon like. I'm feeling it's a gold one. I'm feeling it's. Oh! Look like Aquaman!
Oh, it looks like Aquaman.
This is the one I want this for. He's a silly guy. He has summer diving suits. Oh, look at this. This weapon looks like Aquaman.
Hey, this is what Al got. It's a blue submariner.
Yeah, that's his suit. Inside, he has some plastic color.
Maybe he can glow in the dark. Maybe, I don't know. Hey, it looks cool. See that?
Yeah, I want that. Hey, look, I want Aquaman. Now it's a skeleton.
Aquaman's a skeleton now?
Yeah.
Should we open another one?
Yeah. I'm hoping for a real golden one. Oh, we got the same one.
I don't know.
Look.
You can tell?
Yeah, those are the same one.
Okay.
Hey, to find three. There's three of them. Crack, 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 crack it. Crack, crack, crack. Okay, guys. This is my last chance. This is another one. There are three treasures. Hey, tight, too tight. Hey, Mama, look at this. This is like a bowl. This is not any kind of plaster. Guys, hey yo, guys, look at this blobby. Why do you need that? I need a shovel. Ew, this is quite sticky, yeah. Okay, take off the parkour. I gotta have the soldier scene. I mean, soldier peen.
What was that? Yeah. Magic. Is that magic stones?
Yeah, that's stone stuff. You just wind the stones and they're turned to these. They come, they're the painting blue parts. They're dry to be dry. Hope it's not another lion one. I hope it's not a lion one again. I'm gonna open the chest.
Be the golden one? Oh man.
Let me explain it. Then maybe I'm hoping it's not a lion one.
I'm sure it's not. That's a different badge thing.
Oh, I want to make our
Whoa!
And let's open his weapon. I mean, weapon.
This one?
Maybe look at his head and look at his face and look. Oh, Papa! I am excited. He has a cape.
He has a the cape.
Yeah. I'm pointing for I want the one with the cape.
Okay, I'll got this one.
I'm taking I want the golden one.
Fine, you win, bro. Let's open another one. You want to open that one?
Yeah. I play the golden one. You have another
There you go.
Found that? Another shoe. Oh, we got this one good.
Again, I don't think we have that one before.
Yeah.
We have that one?
Yeah, we already have it.
Really?
Okay. Hope it's a ninja.
A ninja?
Yeah. The ninja's a villain too.
A villain? The ninja's a villain? Are you sure?
Yeah, it is a villain too. Ooh. I want to see the villain's weapon. This is look like the sea.
Because it's blue.
Yeah, it's blue. Like the sea blue. This is gonna be a shovel. Okay. Damn. What? Sticky slimy.
You're gonna use your fingers?
Yeah.
Aren't you supposed to use the shovel?
No. I need to go through my fingers. Here is another weapon. And let's see the treasure. This one here is like... Oh man, we got the plastic one. Oh man, it's a ninja!
Whoa, ninja!
Ninja, meses, dore, tazo, esto, vesi, sacar, verdad, con dos certificados.
What song is that?
It's a kung fu fighter ninja.
Let's go fight the ninja.
Yeah. What is this?
Oh, that's a scythe. Yeah, 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 yeah.
That is not working this character. Oh no, a Kingdom X. And I don't want to put the weapon.
You don't want to put on the weapon?
No.
Why not?
Yeah. Gonna be so dangerous. It's too spiky.
It's too spiky. It's too dangerous.
Yeah, look at this. It's like a real weapon.
Well, we still have one left.
Yes, lovely. Please, it's a golden one.
Okay, let's pray for the best.
Please, the golden weapon, please. Wait, here is it. Oh, we got the same one. I'm hoping it's a girl.
A girl?
Yeah, sometimes it's a girl too.
Really?
Yeah, it's a girl. Maybe it's a girl. Girl, maybe. Girl. Oh, I can't. We need the sparrow and the axe. I'm thinking it's a girl.
There's a girl one?
Yeah, I got the green one the last time. Then this time I want the girl.
Okay.
Where's the girl? Who's the girl? Who's the girl? Who's the girl? Yup. I'm amazing. I'm using my fingers again. Look at this little buddy. wooden weapon. So please, that's not that sticky.
Is that everything? No.
You need the fingers. I use my fingers.
The ones we got so far.
Then I'm gonna check if the food is with this one. I'm pointing as a girl. I am pointing as a girl. Girl, here.
Big reveal.
Oh, we got the same one.
Really?
Yeah, look. Open that. The green one is his boyfriend.
Hmm. This is the ones we got so far.
Look.
And
Look at his crown.
whoa.
Look at him. He is the same.
We have that one already?
No, we have that one already. Then we got a second one.
Oh man.
Look
Hey, but he looks cool. He has a big cape.
look, he's trapped in this.
Hmm?
He's trapped.
He's strapped. Here, let me help you with that.
Oh, I did it.
You did it? Show us.
Then you know that this weapon's a pony.
Hmm?
This weapon's a pony.
His weapon is a pony?
Yeah, it is. This is a pony.
Are you sure?
Where's the treasure? Where's the treasure chest? Where's the treasure
Oh,
chest?
you left it in the tomb.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
And I want to see his weapon. He's a pony. Although you never see this guy's weapon. So let's open the weapon. You don't. I'm gonna show you the weapon, Papa. Yeah, you know. Oh, pony!
Oh, what? Oh, it is a pony. Oh, well. So these are the ones we got from 5 boxes.
Papa, I'm so sad I don't get the axe one.
Okay, we'll try again next time. Anyway, did you have fun, Al?
Yeah.
Is it your favorite toy ever?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna...
I want to get the treasure axe big too!
Yeah, let's try and get it next time. Okay, Al. Say bye-bye.
Bye! Ow! And by the way, guys, I'm running away.